A lot of different ways we can draw this, and I want to show you with money first. So if I have 53 cents plus 68 cents, or actually scratch that, let's go with a smaller number so we don't go over 100. Let's try 28 cents. So I'm going to be using pennies and dimes for this one so they can go with our place values. So we have our dime, which is worth 10 cents, and we have our penny, which is worth 1 cent. I know that the dime is smaller than the penny, even though the dime has a bigger value, but that's just how our US currency looks. So for the dime, it is worth a value of 10, and the penny, it's worth a value of 1. So let's go ahead and look at 53 cents. How many dimes do we need for 53 cents? We need 5 dimes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And how many pennies do we need? We need 3 because there's a 3 in the ones place. So 1, 2, 3. Now, what's really nice with addition is we can add the 53 cents and we can add the 28 cents together. So we don't need to, we don't need to separate them because they're all money. So I'm going to draw the 28 cents in red. That way you can see that as well. So we have 10, 20. We have 2 dimes. 2 dimes. So if you see the tens place, 2 dimes. But we also have to look at the 8 pennies. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now, if we look at these pennies, can we trade some of these pennies in to get another dime? Well, let's see. So a dime is worth 10. So we're going to need 10 of these pennies to be able to equal 1 dime. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm going to count those again. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And if we wanted to make it easier, we could have made rows of 5, so we would have needed 2 rows of 5. But you don't have to put them in rows in order for them to count as 10. So now we're going to count these pennies as a 10-cent piece, a dime. So we don't need these pennies anymore. Now, does that mean we don't have any pennies left? Well, go ahead and look at the drawing. Do we have any pennies left that aren't boxed in? Yes, we have one penny left. So, if we have 1 penny left, I'm going to go ahead and redraw my problem and organize everything in terms of 1 singular unit. So, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I have 80 cents here, and I'm just going to copy paste so the video isn't too long. So I have my 10 cents right here. But now I also need that 1 penny. So I need this 1 penny as well. So we already counted the top. I have 80 cents or 8 dimes. So this is going to be 80 cents. Notice this symbol here. This symbol means cents. And I'm going to add the other penny we have. And that gives us a value of 81 cents. Now the other way I want to show you is if just say we're doing a word problem. So Jason has 5 pizzas. And they each have 10 slices. If Jenny has 1 pizza and 11 slices, how many slices of pizza do they have in total? So if you notice, Jason has 5 full pizzas. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And each slice of pizza is worth 10. So I'm going to draw that here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I know they're not exactly correct, but that's pretty hard to draw them all evenly. So now with those pizzas, I'm going to go ahead and copy this so they all look the same. So notice that these pizzas each have 10 slices. Now, Jenny has 1 pizza and she has 11 slices, and I'm going to go ahead and make her pizza a different color just so we know it's hers. So she'll have the purple pizza. But then she also has 11 slices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to draw them in rows of 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So my question is it possible to combine any of these slices to make a full pizza? How many do we need? Well, just like with the money and like all the other problems we do, we need 10 of them. So these 10 can turn into a full pizza slice. And now we don't need these 10 anymore because we turned it into a tens piece. And then we're left with 1 additional pizza slice. So how many groups of 10 do we have? How many whole pizzas do we have? 10, or well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 tens, which is equal to 70. And we also have 1 1, because we have that little slice of pizza as well. So we have 7 tens plus 1 1, or 70 plus 1, which is 71 slices of pizza. So these are a couple different ways to be able to look at using, if we look back up here, 2-digit numbers when we're adding them when the sum of the ones is greater than 10. This is just a way to show how to do it visually without place blocks as well. And they do kind of look like place blocks, which is what place blocks intentions are. But overall, if this works better for you to picture it like this when doing word problems, go for it. And thank you for watching, and have a great day.